Hi guys, this is Brad with Magbar. In this video we're going to go over what's in the removal kit and how to remove the Magbar with the 3M double-sided adhesive. First off, your kit comes with a wire. It also comes with a plastic razor blade. It comes with 4 denatured alcohol wipes, a eraser type material used to remove the VHB tape or the 3M double-sided adhesive, and also comes with a microfiber cloth. Now you will need a heat gun for this application. We do, however, have a rental program. When you give us a $20 deposit, we will send you out a heat gun. So if you need one, don't hesitate to ask us. Basically, the whole process takes less than 5 minutes. The first thing that you're going to want to do is take the wire and thread it through the screw holes. And what this wire allows you to do is it allows you to pull on this plate so that your hand is a good distance away from the plate while you're heating it up with the heat gun. So you just basically fish that through. Your hand should be about 12 inches from the plate. So once that's fished through, you'll take your heat gun. This heat gun runs about 750 degrees on the lowest setting. So what you'll want to do is turn it on to the lowest setting. Apply heat directly to the plate. The 3M double-sided adhesive is rated up to basically about 220 degrees Fahrenheit. So once you get this plate nice and hot, up to, over 300 degrees, basically the plate just pulls off. So with that wire, you're going to want to give it a little bit of pull. Not so much that you pull off the actual panel, but make sure that plate gets nice and hot. Alright, now that plate is going to be hot, so make sure you set it on a surface where it's not going to burn it. The next step is you're going to want to get your plastic razor blade. You're going to want to heat up this tape again and actually scrape the the majority of the tape off. So once again, I'm on setting 1, which is approximately 750 degrees. On there for a few seconds, turn it off. The heat gun is extremely hot, so make sure you do not touch the tip of it. It will burn you. Or do not set the heat gun down on any items like your leather seat or your carpeted area, because it will melt them or burn them. Sometimes you just have to reheat the tape a few times. I'm going to take that tape off. and set it someplace. Once again, not on your carpet or anything like that, because it will stick to it. So now that I have a majority of that adhesive removed, I now switch to the rubber eraser. Basically what it does is it grabs hold of any of that adhesive that's on the plastic and it balls it up. Use that razor blade again. And what I like to do is use one of the denatured alcohol wipes. Clean the area, see what we're working with. And just use the microfiber. It'll kind of tell you how much adhesive is still left on the plastic. Reheat it again for a very short period of time. You do not want to burn the plastic. I'm just wanting to heat up this tape. Some more of that alcohol. I'll pretty much scrub it vigorously. Still tell it's on there. We're using that microfiber cloth. Use more alcohol. See here, it's pretty much all the way off now. I'm going to use my last alcohol wipe to remove the rest of the adhesive. This will also remove any of the primer residue that's left over from the installation. There you go. As you can see there, it is completely removed, and the plastic has not been affected by the 3M double-sided adhesive. And if you guys have any questions, feel free to shoot us an email at brad@magbar.com, or feel free to give us a phone call at 877-4-MAGBAR. Appreciate it.